YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today I have another tutorial for you guys to check it out. I'm going to resize this black stainless watch band for your Samsung Galaxy watch, or you could also put this on the previous Samsung Gear S3, either the Frontier or the S3 Classic. It is equivalent. So as you can see, the first one that I got, it comes with this nice box, and also come with like tools. But this time around, I got 3 of the free individual watch band tool that come with this adjustable that you can remove the link. So I'm going to try this one out and see if it's going to work or not. Normally I use my different kind of tool to remove the links. This one is more cheaper. It's come with the plastic, and I believe this one is the aluminum. Plus this one, it comes with the 3 additional link removable extra pin, either the longer or the shorter stub. So let's go ahead and then try out. I got this one last time, but I don't know, I don't really like it. It is too long for me, and it is more like a female. This one's small, and then this is a magnetic, which is pretty easy to remove if you like this. But for me, I got a smaller wrist, so it's not working for me. I'm probably need to contact the seller to return that. So let's go ahead and then open this black one up real quick, because I have a special request, I believe, from Andrew White. So I'll give you a shout out to Andrew White. Wanted to do this tutorial. I could unwrap this somehow. So this is exactly the same as my watch band. I like it so much, so I go ahead and then buy all the colors for you guys to check them out. Since you guys request so much. So this is more like a flat finish instead of glossy. So I'm a different mode. I gotta change back to because I was testing out the camera. Let me change it back to the different mode. It's not allowing me to focus. Sorry, I was doing the camera test with the iPhone XS Max versus Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and unfortunately the camera was in the slow mode. That's why it won't allow me to zoom in and focus. So here it goes. So this is like a flat finish. All right. So I'm not sure if the black one is going to get scratched and then inside is silver color or not. So I will need to wear them and then to find out what happens if it gets scratched. It's going to get chipped and then the silver is going to show, or is this all black? So as you can see, I got the gold color and then the rose gold. So today we're just going to concentrate on the black one for now, okay? And put that out aside. So I'm going to use my O1 to find out the measurement. You have to find out exactly which directions so you won't get messed up. So to get this one, I need to remove 1, 2, 3 links. And you gotta make sure there's a direction where it's the arrow, okay? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I gotta remove 3. Okay, see. Gonna use this one to see if it's gonna work. And make sure you go into the hole right there. Okay. Oops. There you go. You see the pin got pushed out already. So wherever direction that you pull it out, you gotta make sure you put in at the same direction later on. Okay. So you want to leave the pin there. So I gotta remove 3. The links. Oh man. So it is a silver. So when you scratch it, it's gonna turn into black and silver. So I gotta be careful. So I'm not sure if this is spray painted or what the heck is going on. Or anodized. Let's see. Let me turn on the flash so I can see it better because black on black is kind of hard to see. As you can see on the pin, it is gap. There's an opening gap. All right, so make sure it's toward the outside, opposite of the arrow. So now I'm gonna connect it and make sure the pin where the gap is gonna go outside of the arrow. Okay, so you push this in to make it to lock. So I'm gonna push this against this my aluminum watch band. Okay, and then there you go. So it's pretty simple as that. Okay. So let's measure real quick. So yeah, about the same. And let's measure on this side. So I'm not sure it is longer than my silver one. Seems I need to remove more links. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I need to remove 4 links on this side. So again, you're gonna see the arrow, okay? There you go. It's coming out. And you just pull out the pin. And remove all the way here. Kind of hard to see. I might do to remove one more. Shoot. Because this is only 3. I had to remove 4. Problem is this one doesn't have any arrow. Not sure if I could take it out or not. Let's try it. So yeah, it does. I got lucky. So you can see, take it out. There's 4. You do the same thing to make sure the arrow. There's no arrow anymore because I took out all the links. So yeah, so you gotta go in from here. All right. How can I just go in by itself? Oh no, it just went in by itself. It's kind of weird. Well, we're gonna test out the band and see. If it's too small, then I need to resize it. check it out. Measure. Oh, so yeah, it's the same size. Looks like it. Okay. So normally I like to open it up all the way before I put it on. You gotta make sure it is the same direction. So this will be the bottom, and your buttons right there. Then you insert the pin. Into this. All right, and then that's that. And then I'd like to open it all the way because I don't want to scratch the sensor. You don't want to rub your stainless steel around this glass. Then I'm going to input this, insert this pin, adjustable pin. Make sure you match into the hole. All right, and then that's it. And then let's try that on. All right, perfect. So I took out my watch, so I had to read into my pen. But anyway, this is what it looked like. Black finish. Flat finish. It's not a shiny one. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. This is what the silver and then the black one looks like. Although I like the silver one, but I might change back and forth. And I'm not sure it's the gold one how it's gonna look. Maybe when you go out you want to show off or something. Rose gold is more like a girl's color. They have a rose gold on the 42 millimeter, but this one is for the 22 millimeter watch band, so it's not gonna fit the 42. You have to get the one with the 20 millimeter or smaller. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification or drop in comments on below. Any special requests, please drop it on the comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.